Hello, welcome to this week's video. We're looking at a site called Diigo. Diigo allows you to curate a range of different types of content. So you've got your library here, which allows you to see all of the different things that you have done. You can sort your collections into outliners. So here's an outliner I've already created. And you can see we've got some screenshots and we've got links with comments. So we go back to my library. So we can click plus and we can bookmark something. So I go, for example, to my blog and copy a link. I can click bookmark. I can paste in the URL. I can add a description. I can add tags. And then I can show it to an outliner. Now, outliner is in essence a collection of various things that you've organised and related to a particular group. So I've got one called Tools for Checking Learning. I can add it to that, and then I can click Add. In addition to adding links, I can also upload images, and it's very straightforward. You find the image that you want. So we'll find an image on my desktop somewhere. And having added that, you can tag it again and you can share it to a particular group. So it's very easy to add content. In addition to using the plus sign, in addition to adding images, you can also add PDFs and you can also make notes. So you can type in the title of your note and you can type away and you can share that, or you can email it. And we go back. Your library contains all of the different things that you've done. So you can see, looking back, all of the different things that I have done. There are ads on the free version and there's greater features within the paid version, but I'm quite happy using the free version. In addition to using the plus, you can also use the Chrome extension. And if you go to Tools, you'll find that the Chrome extension is there for you to install. It's also available as a mobile app from the App Store and from the Play Store. So let's go back to my library. And then there's a couple of really nice features within the Chrome extension. So we'll go to my blog again, we'll pick on another website, another review that I've done for a different tool. I can click on the Chrome extension. I've got the option to save as a bookmark. I can read and annotate. I can annotate a screenshot. I can annotate a PDF. So do annotate a screenshot. It allows me to select the area of the screen that I want to capture. I can choose the colour text. And I can start typing. And when I'm happy, I can hit save. So I can attach it to a bookmark or I can tag it as a standalone image. So I can add the tags. I can select the outliner, so Tools for Checking Learning is my tag, and hit save. I go back to my thing, go to my outliners, I can see there's my image with my text and a link. So really useful site, a variety of functions, great way to create content, organize content. It's possible to add other contributors as well, so you can get people collaborating on this content. I can see it being used as a great way for a teaching team to create resources and then share them amongst the teaching team. I can see students using it as a way of compiling research. So if you found the video useful, if you did, please remember to share it, like it, and subscribe to the channel, and join me again soon for another EdTech video. Thanks for watching. Bye.